welcome back to another video. So today we are riding just normally and I'm answering some the video last video. So some girl like ask why do I not make Estonia videos or something like that. No, that like 2 or 3. No, you know what I mean. Sorry, my English is so bad. I can do nothing about it. But so I have like good news too. I will start making videos like to Tuesday to Friday. I have like 3 days to post, but probably I will post Wednesday and Friday. But then this will be post I think like Wednesday or Thursday. So yeah. But first answer, hey, like what the fuck? What I mean answer? But I meant like the what was that? So one person asked why do I make in Estonia videos? I don't make videos in Estonia because no one will watch it. Let's be for real. Like Chris Boys and S Magic, them are just popular, but they have got like DMK or Johnny K followers. But like Joy on Wheels, he's in Rome or something like that, and he has like 100k or very close to 100k. I don't remember anymore. And like Surronster, okay, Surronster is from USA, but like Joy on Wheels, that's just like everyone makes this in English or in USA videos now. But yeah. And the second thing is what I want to say. I got my bike license. Let's go. But I will not run from the police. But I don't know why the fuck the kids like wanna get you and like that run from the police. What that gives you? Just please don't run. That can make the police more mad and get more scooters away because of you. So don't run, please. So yeah, like if police will pull over me today, I don't care. I will, because I have my biking license. I can like right next to the road. But yeah. But if you have like more, I will make next video will be QA. So if you want to, next video will be I think rideouts. Next will be QA. So if you have something to ask for me, just comment below. And I maybe cannot answer everything in the video, so I will answer in comments too. But you can ask from me. And yeah. But the third thing what I wanted to say today is that someone hated on my video. I don't know what was, but what that was like. Stop making videos, you ruin my day. Bro, you make donut SMP videos and live, and you have only 4 or 5. Oh, sorry, my English is so bad. I cannot do nothing about it. But yeah, like please stop hating. I don't want hate, but I hate it on your video because you hate it on my video. So it's kind of payback. But I don't want to hate. So I will never hate on somebody like who made bad video or something like that. Why to hate? You can give like You can like make better videos or maybe like give tips or something. Just be better person. Don't be like bad. Why to be mad to him who is like trying his best? Like why? One thing. Tell me one thing what that will do to you. One thing. Like one thing. Only one thing. That. You don't have nothing to say. So why do you say that? Like, please don't hate anybody. They are trying their best, like me. And yeah, don't hate on me too, please. And if you like don't like the music on the background, I can like take it off, or like tell me what should I make better of. I'm trying my best on this video. Oh, wait, I'm cooking right now. This is very good actually. Wait. Oh, that was long video. So yeah, please stop hating on people. Like, what the fuck that gives you to you? That's all hate to you to him. That will come back to you. So please stop making hate at people. And next week will be an ride out. No, this week. Yes, this week we will be an ride out too, I think. I don't remember anymore. But if you wanna come and you are from Estonia and Võru, you can come. And yeah, wait. No! Okay, the road is closed, but I don't wanna go to highway, so I'm turning around. Whew. How the fuck do I know like now really? Don't need lights. But yeah, stop hating. Like, but yeah, next video will be in a QA, or what was that? Yes, QA. No, yeah, I don't know. And if you wanna give wheeling tips, you can absolutely give me, because you see how bad I am. Like, I wheel it like 2 kilometers. That is so bad only. Or I don't know, is it good? No, only one time. No, it was like 1 kilometer and like 900 meters. That's close. I don't know how to say 2 kilometers. No, 100 meters is much. But yeah. And all videos are made by I. And this speed is I too. I'm going only 25 max. So yeah. So yeah. But if you wanna give me like editing tips too, you can give me, because you see I'm bad at making videos. So yeah. But I'm so happy I got my bike license, so I can ride it somewhere. So I don't need to run from the village. What is this? This is kind of something, I don't know. I did take my goggles and stuff. This is so bright. Oh, now here comes +2 buses. I didn't know that. I got my goggles back. But yeah. But if you wanna buy something like scooter, buy the G2 Master Pro. This is so good. Oh, the G4. Damn, this like scooter is so good. This is so easy to wheelie too. Like, what's this stuff? You kind of don't need to actually use the brakes too. You only need like throttle thing. Because what's this stuff? No brakes. Oh, okay, I don't want to risk it. Whew. But yeah. Oh, nice wheelie. Wait. Whew. Fuck! That was so close. But kind of I'm friendly, but I'm not again. Like I'm swearing, no, little bit. So sorry about that. I don't want to do like that much editing now, but you will hear it. Not like last video, because I messed up the video and I needed to like 3 hours I wasted because I ruined the video somehow. And yeah, I don't wanna like ruin this video too, because this is fun video. Oh, Kükki oota, I will wheelie like this. Oh, joo. Okay, this is awesome. I think this was good. Okay. I don't know, was that good really? But yeah, I don't know, I like this scooter so much, like. But let's hope like the cuffs don't come here. I will get pulled over like 90%, I'm sure, if cuffs come. What the fuck is this car? I don't know. Like yellow car. Oh! Yellow car! Yellow car closed. Oh my god. Through! What the fuck? So yeah, I don't know, I don't have like anything to say anymore. But if you enjoy my content and like that, you can follow me and like this video if you want. But you can follow me on my TikTok too. My TikTok is 2 kilowatts Stebi 260. 2 kilowatt Stebi 260. This is so good like road to wheelie. This is like great for riding, not gonna lie. Best road ever. Woo! Did you see that? Woo! Woo! But then I don't know what day this will be like result. I think Wednesday, maybe Thursday, maybe. I'm not sure. because I like so much making YouTube videos. But I don't know, I maybe trying to make everyday videos, maybe. But I like need to 1 week to not do videos. Because I need to edit the other videos and then I can start posting, and if I get sick I can still post. So I don't know, let's see. But I got my new phone, I got iPhone 11 Pro. Kind of this is my old phone. Like I had a Samsung, but that was so laggy, like I needed to use my new phone. No, old or new, I don't know how to say it. I had a Samsung S21, but that was so laggy. But of course, crazy. So yeah, car. But I don't know how the fuck did I get through the bike test. I don't know how, somehow I did it. So yeah. Nii iganes. So anyways, I can ride and okay, I don't know what the fuck to say anymore. So I think this will be the video end. So if you like my content and this video, exactly this video, then like and subscribe please. Like I will make a wheelie for you. Let's see. Okay, you followed I think, or like I don't know. But here is your wheelie. Here is your wheelie. But yeah, this was a good video. Bye. Let's see you in your other video. Goodbye.